There's a huge mindset shift that has to take place when you run your own business, even if it's a side hustle, if it's your first time. There's a major mindset shift that has to happen, especially if you are used to having someone over you, a director over you, a VP over you, a manager over you, a supervisor over you. If you're accustomed, if you're coming from that type of place, you're used to um, having to report up to someone else. And so when you start your own business or you start a side hustle, you're reporting to you. You're reporting whatever your structure is. For me, I report to God, meaning I pray about the things that I do, but I'm reporting to me, reporting unto myself about my business. And so that is a major mindset shift that has to take place if you are starting a business brand new, if you're starting a side hustle brand new, because you can be frozen because you're waiting on someone to tell you what to do when it's your responsibility to figure out what to do. It's your responsibility to execute on what to do, and it's your responsibility just to do it, to be it, to build it, to you have to write the vision, you have to write your mission, and you have to be about your vision and your mission. You So when you partner with another company, you read the mission, you read the vision, and you try to incorporate your own morals with the company's mission and the company's vision, and you display that across to your customers, whether they are internal or external or shareholders or whatever. You're going to display that company's mission and vision. That's why they cast it to you. They want you to read it and know it and understand it so that you would have feet to run and go and do it. It's the whole purpose of the mission and or the vision, I'm sorry. And so starting your own business, of course you want to start with a mission and a vision, but your mind has to shift. It has to shift. And this is one of I'm just sharing a big mindset shift that I've had to make, and it has made a huge difference in my business. It was like one day I woke up and it's like, wait a minute, you're still acting like an employee and not an owner. You're still acting like an employee and not the head. You're still acting like an employee and not the VP, the president or the CEO, the leader, the owner of the company. And so my mind had to shift. That shifting has been great because it makes you completely take ownership of your business. If anything doesn't get done, it's on you. If money's not coming in, it's on you. If content's not being made, it's on you. If your systems aren't set up correctly, it's on you. And so it's a major shift that has to take place. And so in the beginning, I thought, I got this. Come on now. I've started a 501(c)(3) before. I've been in leadership positions before. I've been over this. I've been over that. I've led this before. I've led that before. I have a family. I led my family. And I'm thinking, I got this. But I literally came into this starting my own business with a mindset of an employee and not a leader. So your mind has to shift. What does this have to do with Transform 180 with digital product marketing? It has everything to do with it. It has everything to do with any kind of business that you are starting, whether it be on social media, whether it is brick and mortar, whatever kind of business that you are starting. You have to have that mind shift because you're no longer an employee. You're no longer the employee. You literally have to change seats and sit in the seat of authority. You have to sit in the seat of decision making. You have to sit in the seat of the person who is actually pumping things out and making things go and making things happen. You're setting the tone of your business. You're setting the tone of whatever it is that you're doing for your business. So your mind has to shift. You got to have that shift. So that is one thing that I'm sharing today. A big mindset shift that I had to have even after I got started. So anyways, my business is called Transform 180 with digital product marketing. I sell a digital marketing course. And it has master resale rights. So if you are interested in selling this digital marketing course, starting your own business with this ready-made business, it's already done for you. It's very easy to get started. It costs one charge for the entire course. And the first time you sell the course, you make up the money that you spent to buy the course. And it comes with an amazing community. And also, it comes with a one on one rapid fire business strategy coaching session with me. Coach Tamara Maurice, where I will sit with you and we'll talk about some of the pitfalls so that you don't fall into some of the things that I fell into. Also, this is a great program if you're already selling digital products and you're maybe selling low ticket items. This is a great mid-ticket offer. You can sell this. I sell it currently for $500. You can sell it from anywhere 500 and up. Pretty soon I'll be selling it at $599, but currently it's being sold for $500. But this is a great opportunity. It's like a franchise. Like you purchase it, it's already ready for you to go. There's a few things that you have to set up yourself. Your job description is making content. You know, your job description is being a leader. Your job description is being a business owner. Your job description is to run things the way that you want to run things. You're responsible for creating your own mission and your vision. You're responsible for building your brand. You are responsible for all of that. And so it is a great opportunity to really learn social media, learn digital marketing while you're earning money. It is a great way to get out here and start a business to have additional streams of income coming into your household. I got introduced to this because my position was eliminated in November of 2023. This is actually the 23rd month that I have not had a full-time corporate role. So for me, this has been something that has been permanent, not having a boss, other than reporting up to God. And so, yeah, when my position was eliminated, I started a coaching business, and I didn't know how to market my business. I didn't know how to reach people on social media about my coaching services alongside the other things that I do outside of social media to attract clients to my business. And so as I was looking for something to help me to figure out how to do the business side of coaching, I found this digital marketing course. I call it Transform 180 with digital product marketing. It is called DPU and it has community with it. Community meets one time per week for not rapid fire, but for amazing community meetings. They are like master level type of meetings. The rapid fire part is when you meet with me one on one for a coaching session. But this is a business that keeps on giving and giving and giving. I always say that we want to do business with you. I want to help you find your place in this digital space. So please like and share, like and follow me here or subscribe here on my YouTube channel and check out one of these videos that are coming up next. But the link to my business is down here below. Go ahead on and go over to my site. At my site, you can learn more information. I also have a freebie on my site if you're interested in a freebie. And you can definitely learn more information there. Or if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, put a message in here, or send me a DM. Got something going on my lip. But again, this is Transform 180 with digital product marketing. I'm Coach Tamara Doris. Blessings.